How do you hide your best sellers from all of your competitors in 2018? Hey, what's up everyone? Sri Kanase here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide your best selling items the correct way in 2018 so that you have a better advantage over your competitors. And the main advantage is that when you do find your winning products, you want to make sure that no one else can find them on your store and basically steal them. So this lets you earn more profit on your products for a longer time as well. And the process is very simple. All you have to do is edit some of the code in your online store. Now I've seen some requests on websites such as Fiverr.com or Upwork.com where people are offering $10 to even $100 just to have this done. This is very simple and you could literally do this yourself in 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to hire anybody to do this for you. So before we jump into this video, like always, if you guys are finding value in this videos, make sure to hit that like button down below because that lets me know that I should be putting out more videos like these. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already joined the family. And let's just jump right into it. So we're here in our Shopify dashboard for the new store that we created in our last series tutorial, and if you haven't already checked that out, be sure to check that out. The series videos are on my channel, so just go to the channel and check them out. From your dashboard, what you want to do is go over to the left and click on online store. We're going to basically be editing the code for our current installed theme. On this page, you want to scroll down, and right next to the theme that's currently chosen, just click on the drop down menu for actions. And then over here, the second to last option is what we're going to choose, which is edit code. And once you click on that, it'll take a few seconds to load. Alright, once it's loaded up, you'll see this over here. Don't worry, we only need to edit one specific file from here. We don't have to do anything with all of these other files. And the main file we're going to be editing can be found under the template section. So if you have to, just close the other ones over here by clicking on them. And the file that we want is going to be under the template section over here. So just click on templates, and when you scroll just a little bit down, you'll see that it says collection.liquid. This is the file that we want. So just click on that to open it. So for this specific theme, which is Brooklyn, it says that the contents of the collection liquid template can be found in the other section. For some of you using different themes, you'll have possibly all the code in this file, and for others of you, it will be found in the other sections. But don't worry, for all of us, we have to edit the code in this specific template. We don't need to go to the other template that it mentions over here. Now all we have to do is copy and paste the code for the specific file, and you can find this code in the description down below, but just copy the code and paste it into this section over here. So this is the code, as you can see, and all we have to edit in this specific code is this section over here, which says paste all of the code in the collection.liquid template over here. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So come down here, and this is, as you can see, this is just a comment, so we don't have to paste this. All we have to paste is this part over here, which says section. So just copy this and delete it from your liquid file. So just copy and delete it and go back to our file and paste it over here inside. So just select all of the text and just paste it. Alright, so now that's in here, just copy the entire selection and paste it into your collection.liquid file. So go ahead and paste it over here. And for this message, this is the specific message that will be shown when someone tries to search your store by best sellers. You can edit this to your own liking. So for example, you could write something like, "You're not getting the best sellers from my website, man." Something funny or quirky, anything you'd like, or you can just leave it as it is. And once you edit the code, just hit save over here. Alright, so now that's done. Go back to the store, your own store. For us, it's the new store we created. And just try to find the items by searching for the best sellers. So go ahead and paste the code for the best sellers. So for us, it's going to be something like .com/collection all sort by best selling. And as you can see, this is the message that popped up when we searched up the best sellers. So we have officially hidden all of our best sellers from the competitors. And I personally prefer this strategy over any other strategies for hiding the best sellers, mainly because they use JavaScript, and it's very easy to just disable JavaScript and still end up searching for the best selling items on the store. So with this, you're completely hiding the best sellers. And this does not work on JavaScript, so it is much harder for any of the competitors, even with some of the special Chrome extensions, to find the best sellers on your website. And I have a similar Chrome extension, so what we're going to do is test out if we can see the best sellers through this Chrome extension. So this is the one we have. So just hit best selling over here and see if it comes up. So as you can see, nothing came up. That's because it's completely hidden, even from the Chrome extension. So that's pretty much all for this tutorial, guys. We have successfully hidden our best-selling items from those people who are wanting to steal our products. If you guys did find value in this video, be sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.